Hello, my name is Gordon and welcome to Festool TV. In other videos, we've shown you how to make simple but strong permanent joints in timber and panel materials. Today, I'm going to show you how to make those same joints using the DOMINO KD or knockdown connector range. What if you need to deliver your project to your customer safely? Or to site for fitting? Might that be easier for you in component form? Or perhaps you're an exhibition or shop fitting contractor and want to reuse the display. As with all joints made using the DOMINO, the KD connectors are simplicity itself to use. They are designed around both the DOMINO machine and the standard cabinets that incorporate 32mm peg centers and 37mm offset. There are a few simple details to remember when using our KD connectors. They require the DOMINO to be fitted with an 8mm cutter. And you need to remember just two depth settings, 15 and 28mm. And that's it. So let's fit the shelf and base to this cabinet. Firstly, we will fit the base to the cabinet by routing one hole to a depth of 28mm from either end of the panel, using these stops as reference points. Now we will route the shelves using the same depth and reference points. At this point, you could mark a centre line where, if you needed it, you could place an extra domino support, particularly useful on larger or heavier components. Next, we need to drill out an access hole so we can operate the connector, and for this, a drilling template, drill and depth stop are provided in the KD connector sustainer. Of course, being Festool, everything can be connected to a dust extractor, including this template. In this case, we're going to reuse our Bluetooth remote to start the extractor. Okay, from your kit, you will need these components: connector block and captive fastener. And there you have part one of your knockdown connection. Next, to assemble the base panel, we need to fit these corresponding components. And to fit these, we now need to adjust our depth of cut to 15mm and fit our support foot. Now we're going to make down cuts using the same stops as before, here and here. A good tip when using the domino in this direction is to switch the machine on before presenting the tool to the job. It will stop you accidentally plunging the tool as you start the machine. Next, we fit this fixing here, which will expand and grip as we fit the bar. To fit the bar, you can use your hand screwdriver or a cordless drill fitted with a 1/4 hex bit holder. And there you have the base panel. Fitting the shelf couldn't be easier now, because the peg holes are at the same offset as the domino. You can now fit one of these threaded bars, which is designed to locate in the peg hole itself. Just make sure, when assembling, that the recess on the bar is facing in the right direction. To finish the job neatly, we can select one of the matching cover caps from the sustainer and the job is complete. The kit includes further accessories, including through fixings. Ideal for wine rack type applications, they can be used in material up to 28mm thick. And finally, of course, the Domino KD connector can be used for applications in all solid materials too, with a minimum thickness of 18mm. Once again, my name's Gordon, thank you for watching, and look out for more clips on the Festool Domino range coming soon.